I think that one probably goes the best. It's going to be super animal themed if I use that, because I even have... Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and I'm back to do another Happy Planner weekly design for the 7th of February through to the 13th. I have gone animal print mad this week. I saw a kit on Etsy that had a bit of a reduction on it, but I like to decorate more than they give you on Etsy. They give you a lot of these little symbols for work and coffee and things, and I don't have a life that needs that much organising. I have pulled up two different potentials for this bit. This one, which I quite like, and then this one, which is far more animal print, which I also quite like, although it's a little large. I can cut that down. I think that one probably goes the best. It's going to be super animal themed if I use that, because I even have boxes and then boxes to put inside boxes. Yeah, let's do that. So let's get that one down. Do prefer that. I don't mind the slanting at the top and the bottom. That's a bit different, but I prefer that general look. Look at that. That almost fits perfectly. And I think I printed, well, I've got people, but I've also got, ta-da, no plans at all for next week as such. So where I put things is going to be pretty entirely up to me. Shove one so it goes over that box there. Break it up a bit. Something in the middle of the week. Something at the weekend. Scatter them about for the rest of the week. Then we have some furniture. Weekend furniture, obviously. You relax on a weekend, don't you? Got some people as well. Lots of people. Too much. I do realise the colours are changing. Oh, yeah. I think I need to start on this, so that's just a reminder to me. She fits better. What else have I got here? Right, so I'd need to move her that way, that way, that there. And then we need something up here. What else do we have? From the kit we have the back of her head. I suppose we could use more from the kit. Got our handbag. I'm just trying to think what to do. Don't think the darker ones really go. Get a word. I quite like the simplicity of that. I do have these big ones. No, it has to go over. She could go over there. I think that actually kind of works. Okay, good. Mess up there, so it might be fun to cover that up a little bit. A few more images. I do like an image. This is such a cool little kit, this one. I love this kit. I'm not sure about that, but I'm loving the kit. I'm going to do that. I found a circle that I cut out with the gold, so I think I'm going to do this. Let's look without, with. I think I prefer with. We have this one, which is actually one from the kit, but I don't think that looks out of place there, and that's just like a, maybe bring it over her slightly so you've still got the use of the big list. How are we doing? I think that's it. I think I like it. Yeah, that's pretty damn cool. I love that combination of the boxes that I found online on my Pixar app and the frames that I made, a word or two that I did, with some of her boxes from Etsy. Oh yeah, he was mine as well. And her figures. I think that works really, really well, actually. I think that works beautifully. Looks like it was all one kit. Really happy with that. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help other people on YouTube see the video. If you're not already, please consider subscribing. I do Happy Planner once a week, and the rest of the time I do junk journaling, art journaling, how to journal, ephemera making and anything else that takes my fancy. And let me know what you think of this design in the comments below, and I will see you next time.